Texas Laser Source is proud to announce that we now offer the SmartGraft automated suction-assisted FUE hair restoration device. We plan to change how hair loss is treated. Modern hair transplant procedures have been the same since the early 1940s. Together, TLS and SmartGraft plan to bring the hair loss treatment options into the 21st century for both men and women. Featuring a sleek and elegant design, the SmartGraft is a piece of equipment anyone would be proud to have in their office. Aesthetics aren't the only revolutionary thing about this device. Other important distinctions are the large touchscreen for the controls, a redesigned handpiece, and it is the only device with a revolutionary collection system that keeps the harvested follicles hydrated with any biological solution of the physician's choice, as well as a controlled chilling feature for more viable grafts. Hair transplant is a clean procedure and can be performed in almost any treatment room. This technology not only increases patient comfort, but it also shortens the procedure time. Texas Laser Source feels that SmartGraft can offer a higher success rate and shorter recovery time compared to traditional hair transplant methods. Because SmartGraft FUE is a minimally invasive procedure, your patients can get back to their normal life quickly. Texas Laser Source can not only rent you this cutting-edge device, we can also connect you with experienced tech support teams, allowing you to confidently offer this service to your patients, knowing they are in good hands. The first stage of the surgery involves numbing and filling the harvest area with tumescent. This helps make the hair follicles easier to harvest while also limiting the amount of blood loss caused from each extraction. After the patient has been prepped for the harvest, the operator can begin the real work. Utilizing SmartGraft's entirely redesigned tool handle, the operator begins harvesting the follicles using a gentle suction provided by the upgraded SmartGraft technology. The follicles are removed from the patient's head and stored safely in the temperature-controlled and hydration-holding tank without desiccation from the outside environment until the grafts are ready for transplant. After the donor follicles have been collected, the operator creates the recipient sites using a precisely gauged needle. Finally, the grafts are removed from their optimal storage environment to be implanted by the operator. If this sounds like this could be a procedure you want to offer your patients, contacting Texas Laser Source is the first step in being able to further broaden the amount of services available at your facility.